many
They
cats?
had about 4 or 5 cats.
4 or 5 cats. Stepping in it, laying in it, sleeping in it.
They were walking through the manure. They weren't even.
Oh my gosh, really?
And talking about me and Carrie, it made me and Carrie sick. I was sitting there going, I was sick. When I got home, I threw all.
The manure on the floor was so hard and dry.
It's dry.
I couldn't even shovel.
So I just had to sell as is. I sell for $7,000.
Yeah, 30,000.
You say who? What did Ava say? That how many dogs that she now said? 40 dogs. Oh my gosh! And 3 of them chased this man across the corner. Then what happened? And then they called the police, and police had to fine for it.
Well,
Oh
if they
gosh!
called them, they should be able to prosecute them because they must have over 3.
And see, really, I have. Well, we're getting rid of our cats anyway. But I've got 2 little chihuahuas, my cat, and 6 little kittens. But I'm getting rid of them. My daughter went. No, we are. Mike's. I'm even going to get rid of the other one too. I might as well get rid of all of them. My daughter is one of the Siamese cats, and I asked her. I said, "This guy one of them 2 little Siamese, so they're 2 little girls." So Carrie said, "Just go ahead and give it to that guy across the street." And then Bonnie's friend wanted one of them, and then Carrie wants one of the little black ones, and then there'll only be 1 little black one left. After she gets that black one, then she don't keep black one. So she's going to get rid of the other black one.
Oh, okay.
I'm getting rid of all of them. Go see what it is. Mike see the cat, the little cat food. They little cat food, and cat food. And the big cat wants to go out there and eat the big cat food. She's been eating that dog food for so many times. And now she wanted to go in there and eat it, so Mike had to shut the door and shut the back door. Because the dog goes out and go to the potty on the outside. So we had to shut that to keep the cat coming in there again. And the cat drinks the milk away from them. She's already done winged them off too. She's already done winged them.
Oh wow.
Yeah. You're taking me.
Yeah.
I think I just did. Saying, oh wow.
Yeah.
I got 2 and they turned out like mine.
You know he's hyping us? But that was, I see, like I say about the, okay. So I'm gonna bring a set just in case.
Bring up the marble thing.
Yeah. I'm gonna just in case. You ought to have been on that bus, baby. You laughed your head off, boy. I tell you.
Oh, what?
I'm talking about Violet. You would actually laugh. Here's Cheryl. She laughed so hard she thought she had almost had a heart attack. She said. Been just sitting there listening. Everything else. Everybody was griping about wanting to go home. I said, we all want to go home, but had to pick up the marbles.
Oh my gosh.
They think we're the birds like the night before. Here's the birds and them long big old birds. I know. See a line across this white fence one day. I don't know where was that. Take Miss Violet on there. She needs help.
Hey, do I ever? Big box and all that other crap.
Yeah. So we'll have to carry it after the stuff. So I'll have to. My guess put the letter down or something to help her with the stuff. got a big old box, don't know what it is.
I know.
Maybe
Maybe I ordered something and forgot what I ordered.
you'll find out when you get home.
So I guess it'd be like Christmas